Hey everyone, it's gym day today. I'm feeling great and can't wait to get started. So let's go. While walking towards gym, I want to give you a sneak peek of how it looks like and where I train. The gym name is called Snapfitness Olympic Park, and it's just like a 1 or 2 minutes walk from my home here. So follow me. I'll check my access card. Yes. That's where we are, Snapfitness. So that's my gym, and I have been working out here since I think close to 18 months. So we're gonna meet some staff and some members over there, and let's train together. Come. Follow me. Always use your card. All right, welcome to my gym. Thank you, Tracy. So that's a gym, and maybe you can have a look around and see how it feels. Oh, hi. I'm standing with Peter. He's the club manager of Snapfitness Olympic Park. That's where we have all the fun, have a chit chat, and where we do all the workout. So, Peter, how's it going with you?
Yeah, I'm going good, man. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, Peter, you're here, you're a club manager over here. You see people coming and going, and as well as greeting them. So, I'm always wonder, what are a few things people should be take care of while coming to the gym?
Interesting question. Besides losing weight in 2 to 3 weeks, Smith.
Oh, yeah, that's also a myth, yeah?
Honestly, man, it's all about creating a positive and safe environment.
Oh, yes.
Let's call it gym etiquette.
Gym etiquette.
Yeah.
I like that term.
That's right.
So let's call it gym etiquette. So what are the gym etiquette you think people should follow while working out, while walking in, or while even taking care of themselves as in hygiene and all? So what do you think?
Okay.
Peter?
All right. First things first, the importance of conduct. And the first point of conduct I want to make is gate crashing, also known as tailgating. Of course, friends and family or members can join you, though you'll need to talk to the club manager beforehand to obtain a guest pass and sign a waiver. And also, if you're coming alone to the gym, swiping your card, be mindful of gate crashes. So all members have access cards, so to enter the club, you'll need to swipe your card.
Hey, Peter.
Oh, hey, did you tailgate again? Where's your access card?
Oh, yeah, it's in here.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
You'll make sure you swipe in.
Oh, yeah, sure. I just saw that it's open, so I just came in, but yeah, I'll
that's
make
fine.
sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Point number 2, be self-aware. Everyone has fitness goals, just like Paris. But please don't treat your gym like your own personal living room. Please be mindful on how long you spend on the gym equipment. Okay. Point 3, respect the superset. It's perfectly fine to do supersets within the club, but respect the other members within the club, whether it be busy or whether it be quiet. So jumping on different machines could cause some issues where other members are waiting. It is polite to let other members know what you're actually doing, whether it be superset or straight sets. So please let other members know, just in case that they can let you work in together. Just like this scenario here. Paris, I'm still working on that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
no worries.
Sorry.
Did you want to work in or do you wait till the
I was just using the superset.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right, no worries. I'll give you a call. Point number 4, cleanliness is the key. No one likes to see weight or leftover around the gym, especially if you see sweat dripping off the machines. Here's how to be a good clean gym buddy. Wipe down after use. Paris.
Oh, sorry, man. Thanks.
We always wipe down the equipment after use, whether it be using your towel or the available paper towels around the gym. Always remember that. Second point, guys, putting your weight away. Paris.
Oh, sure.
It's important to re-rack your weights. Leaving weights around it could be potentially dangerous. Other members could trip over the weight and hurt themselves. So it's always good to clean up the gym after yourself. Next point, mastering the machine. There are many machines in the club, so mastering your technique and the machine is very important. It's for safety reasons and to be able to progress in the gym. Just like this guy. Paris, can I help you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, no
Am I
worries.
doing it wrong?
Yes, you are.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So what you do is you push against the padding so that you're locked in.
Yeah.
Right? Have a lean back a little bit.
Okay.
Lean back. Have a shoulder width apart where you're comfortable.
Yeah.
And go down and point it directly to your chest. Your chest up high. All right. And go one more rep.
Yeah.
And pause at the bottom for me. Do you feel it in your lat?
Yeah, I can feel
You
it.
feel it? That's what we want. So go up. Go down. And you feel it in your lat? All right. And then you can do that for 10 repetitions.
Oh, thank you. Thank you,
So
Peter.
that's how you correctly perform a lat pull down. A very important point, guys. If you don't know how to use the machine or use the technique important to the machine, please ask for help. Don't be shy. Okay, guys, remember the gym is full of people who want to help each other.
Exactly. Gym is full of people who want to see you succeed. A huge thanks to Peter for sharing these awesome, helpful tips of the gym. Remember, following these gym etiquette makes the gym more safer and enjoyment place for everyone. So next time you hit the gym, be the best gym buddy you can be.
Okay, remember, guys, if you want to start your fitness journey, Snapfitness is always opening their doors for you guys. So please find us on IG or within our Australian Towers at 3 Australia Avenue. Happy training, everyone!
Oh, look at this.